Hey guys, have you ever accidentally deleted an important photo? Or maybe your phone broke and all your data is stuck inside? It is terrible feeling, right? Most people think that once data is gone, it is lost forever. Or they think they need to root their phone to get it back, which is very risky. But today in this video, I will tell you about a software that can bring back your deleted data without rooting your phone. Today we are reviewing Stellar Data Recovery for Android. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's talk about the compatibility. This software supports almost all major brands like Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Vivo and Oppo. Whether your phone is old or new, it works on everything from Android version 6 up to the latest Android 16. The best feature, you don't need to be a technical expert to use it. Also, you do not need to root your phone, so your device warranty remains safe. Now let's see what it can recover. It is not just for the photos and videos. This software can also recover your contacts, messages, call logs and documents. One huge feature I really like is WhatsApp recovery. If you deleted your chat, you can recover it from your local storage. It can even restore WhatsApp data directly from your Google Drive backup. It also supports WhatsApp business attachments. Even if your phone has a broken screen or a virus, this tool can deep scan the internal storage to get your files back, and this process is very simple. You just have to follow 3 steps. Okay, let's start the tutorial. First, go to link in the description of this video and download the software. It works on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. The installation is very fast. It only requires about 250 MB of space on your hard disk. Once you install it, open the software and you will see a very clean dashboard. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB-C cable, and the software is very user-friendly. It will guide you if you need to change any setting on your phone. You can see here it is asking for some settings. Go to your phone and go to About Phone and tap on build number 7 times to get the developer option. And here you need to turn on USB debugging. Once properly connected, the software asks select what to recover. You don't have to scan everything. You can choose specific things like photos, videos or WhatsApp to save time. Select what you need and click next. Now click scan button. The software uses a deep scanning algorithm. This means it searches deep inside your phone's internal memory to find files that were lost due to deletion or even a system crash. This process might take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. So be patient. And remember, this process works without rooting your device, so warranty is safe. Now once the scan is finished, you will see a list of recovered files. You don't have to recover everything blindly. You can click on files to see a preview, and you can see the deleted photos, play videos or read your messages. Now you have to select the file you want to keep and click save button and choose a folder on your PC to store them. Now Stellar Data Recovery for Android has a free download link available. You can use it to scan and preview your data. If you see your files, you can buy the full version, and they have 2 types of plans, standard and bundle. The standard plan covers photos, videos and contacts. The bundle plan includes broken device recovery and extra feature. Overall, this is a 100% safe, virus-free and trusted tool from a company with over 30 years of experience. The link is in my description of this video. Go and try it out if you want to save your data. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe. I will catch you in the next one.